Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn your design ideas into reality. Today, I'm going to show you how to create professional business presentations using Canva. Whether you're an entrepreneur, business professional, or student, this tutorial will help you design impactful presentations that impress your audience. Let's dive in. First, let's explore Canva's presentation templates. When you open Canva, type Business Presentation into the search bar. You'll see a variety of professionally designed templates for different purposes. Let's choose one that fits your presentation's theme. I'm selecting a modern and sleek template to give our presentation a professional look. Customizing the title slide. Once you've selected your template, let's start customizing it. Click on any text box to edit the text. Begin with the title slide. Add your presentation title, your name, and your company's name or logo. Make sure it's clear and visually appealing. Editing content slides. Next, let's move on to the main content slides. Click on each slide to add your text. Canva allows you to adjust the font, size, and color to match your brand style. Organize your content into sections like Introduction, Key Points, Data and Statistics, and Conclusion. Use bullet points and short sentences to keep your slides concise and easy to read. Adding visual elements. To make your presentation more engaging, let's add some visuals. Canva has a vast library of icons, illustrations, and images. Click on Elements in the sidebar, then search for relevant visuals. Drag and drop them onto your slides and adjust their size and position as needed. You can also upload your own images and graphs to make the presentation more personalized. Adding branding elements. Adding branding elements like your company's colors, fonts, and logo is crucial for a cohesive look. Use Canva's color picker to match your brand colors throughout the design. This helps create a consistent and recognizable brand identity. Final review and downloading. Let's make sure your presentation design is consistent and polished. Check that all the fonts, colors, and spacing are uniform throughout the slides. This gives your presentation a professional and cohesive look. Also, proofread your slides for any typos or errors before finalizing. When your presentation is ready, download it in high resolution. PDF is usually the best choice for presentations, as it maintains quality when shared. Canva also offers options to present directly from their platform, which is super convenient. And there you have it, a professional business presentation ready to impress your audience. With Canva, you can create impactful and visually appealing presentations quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.